Welcome into the video. I'm your tech guy Wayne, and today I want to show you how to take a screenshot on your Samsung Galaxy Tab A9, and I want to show you how to print. We're going to show you how to print that screenshot, how to print a web page, and also how to print an email as well. All right, let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing is taking a screenshot is super easy. You're going to hold down on the power button and the volume down button for 1 second, and it will snap a picture of the screen just like this. Power, volume down, press, let it go, and you'll see the screen flash just like that. Let me show you one more time. Power, volume down, press, let it go. And if you tap on the little circle at the bottom here, it will allow you to then edit that screenshot right after it went away. So let me try it one more time. Power, volume down. There we go. Let's tap there. I'm going to tap on gallery and tap always. And basically that's the app we're going to use to edit the picture. This is the screenshot that we just took. And I'm going to tap on this little pencil in the upper right corner. And from here, it's going to give me a couple of options. With this first option, I can just simply crop down. So every corner has a little edge, a little like a L edge. And if you just drag from that corner, you can crop down the image. And then I can access other tools here. So I can add a filter. I can change the, make additional tweaks to the color. And this fourth option here is going to allow you to access a little pen tool that you can use to circle and highlight things. The highlighter is here, or the eraser is here. Highlighter. You can tap on text, and I can actually type text in. If I wanted to just add something here and change the color of it to this. So you'll have all these on-screen tools that you can use to make modifications, and then I can just go ahead and drag that there. And when you're done, you can come to the top here and just simply hit save, and that's going to lock in any changes that you made. So that's how you take a screenshot, and that's how you edit it afterward. Now, let's talk about where is it going to save that screenshot on the tablet and how would I print it. So I'm going to go to the Gallery app, which should be on your home screen. And in the Gallery app, you have a few different views here. This is the Today view. This will show you every screenshot you've taken along with other pictures or what you've downloaded. If you tap on this menu button in the upper left corner, you can jump from pictures to albums, and it'll actually sort your pictures by album. So I have a recent folder that has just all the pictures I've taken. I have favorites. All my screenshots are here. Downloaded photos are here. So everything is sort of organized nice and neat. I'm going to go to my screenshot folder and then tap on that last screenshot that I made some edits to. And now I want to print it. If you go to the upper right corner, there's 3 dots. You're going to tap on those 3 dots to access the menu and go down to print. Now, to print, you will need a Wi-Fi compatible printer, and I will link one on screen right here. This is the one that I'm currently using. Love Epson. They make great printers. So you will need a Wi-Fi compatible printer. It needs to be set up. It needs to be turned on, and your tablet needs to also be on Wi-Fi. So if I swipe down from the top of the screen, I can see right here my Wi-Fi is turned on, and I'm connected to Wi-Fi. All right. So Wi-Fi turned on, connected. Next, I'm going to tap on Select Printer. And here, this is my Epson printer. And I'm going to select it. And now, I can make some additional adjustments. For example, if I want to print multiple copies of this, I can tap the number here and I can change it to change the number of copies. Can also change if you want it to be in color or black and white, the orientation. So you can tweak your print settings and then tap on this little button here to send it to the printer. So that's how you print your screenshot after you take it. Now, next, let's go over how to print an email. We're going to go to our Gmail app. Let's just select any email. I'm going to print this one here. I'm going to go to the upper right corner and tap on those 3 dots again. Come down to print, and it'll bring up the same options on screen. I'm going to select the printer, my Epson, and then sometimes it will take a few seconds for it to load on screen. depending on how many pages are in the email, so just be patient with it. And here we go. Now our print button is here, and we can just simply tap on that to send it to the printer. And lastly, let's go over how to print a web page. So let's go to Google Chrome, and I'm going to go to Amazon.com, and let's go to a product, and let's say you want to print the product page. So here we have some earbuds, and if I want to print these, I'm going to go to the upper right corner, tap on those three dots here, and you'll notice there is no print button. So on Google Chrome, you actually have to go to Share first, and then you'll have the print button right here. Tap on Print. Now you're going to select the printer, Epson. And if you notice, again, it's not loading the preview yet. Sometimes this happens. So a little trick to get it to load the image faster, tap where it says the printer and switch to Save as a PDF. And this will make the preview show up faster. You'll notice this is a 10-page website here. So that's why it's taking longer to load. Now I'm going to tap where it says Save as PDF and go back to the printer. And now I'm ready to print. Now, one important note here is you may not want to print all 10 pages. Maybe you only want to print the first page that has the picture of the product, where you simply want to uncheck all the other pages. There's little checks in the corners, and this will allow you to just tell the printer, hey, I only want this page and not that page. So we went from printing 10 pages down to 1. And we'll tap on our print button here, and that'll send it to the printer. This brings us to the end of our video here. I'm going to plug one more time. This is a recommended printer here in case you're looking for a good wireless printer. Check that one out right there. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If it was, definitely bump that like button down below. I have a lot more videos coming on this tablet, so check out this playlist here where you'll find more videos on the Tab A7 or A9, excuse me, and you'll also find another really helpful video right here. All right. Thanks again for watching. Take care, and as always, have a good one.